Let's take a look at offshoring and outsourcing jobs. Outsourcing and offshoring send jobs out. Outsourcing means having outside vendors supply services that the company's own employees previously did in-house. Offshoring means having outside vendors or employees abroad supply services that the company's own employees previously did in-house. Sending out jobs, practically overseas, presents employers with special personnel challenges. One is the likelihood of cultural misunderstandings. Others are security and information privacy concerns. Rising wages in Asia, coupled with reputational issues, there's a desire to invest more in local communities, and political pressures are prompting employers to bring jobs back. Several U.S. employers, including Apple and Microsoft, are shipping jobs back to America. America's H-1B visa program originally aimed to help U.S. employers temporarily hire workers from abroad. Employers bringing in foreign workers has led some to argue that the program is misused.